Convert multiple Excel files to PDF. Um, we open the folder. There is a two folder. One is source file folder, the file we will convert, and there is after PDF file means after converting the file, PDF file will be saved here. Now open the macro. Here we need to give the source file path, means this is the source file. We get the file path of source folder. Shift right click, then get the copy as path. Come here and say paste the source file path. Again output folder path. Output folder path is the folder where our PDF file will be saved. Shift right click, copy as path, come here again and paste the path here. Now we run the macro. All Excel files have been converted to PDF and saved in the output folder. Let's check. We have the PDF file of all the Excel files.